Hey. All right, pre-calc honors, this is our 3.3 example 1. Example 1. For y equals x to the third divided by 3 minus 1, find the derivative of y with respect to x. So how we are going to do this is I would like to rewrite. You don't have to, by the way, but if I rewrite it, then it's easier for me to see which one's the constant and which one is the variable. So now that I have rewritten the y equals, I want to do y prime. Now dy divided by dx or dy over dx is the same thing saying y prime because I have y equals. So y prime, based on our rule right here, when you have a constant multiply a function, then what you want to do is take out the constant and then do the derivative of the function. So based on that, we are going to take out the 1/3, okay? Then we want to do the derivative of x to the third. Mind you that I'm writing out every single step, okay? Now if you don't need to see all of this, then you write it as much or as little as you need. Then I want to do the derivative of x. Well, as you can see, y prime equals 1/3, the derivative of x to the third. I'm going to use the power rule. Drop down your power, then I will multiply by x. Then that means I have to subtract 1 from my power, so that now is a 2. Then over here, I have x, right? The derivative of x is 1. Now, if you need to see it, it's kind of like this, right? I drop down the x, so my constant is 1. Then I have my power is currently 1. You don't have to write all this stuff down, but here's a reason why it's just simply 1. Well, I drop down my power, which is 1. Then it's taken away 1 away from my power. So 1 minus 1 is 0. X to any 0 exponent, it's always 1. So that's why the derivative of x is just 1. Again, the derivative of x is just 1. So when I rewrite this, y prime equals 1/3 times 3 is 1, 1x squared minus 1. So this is my final answer for the derivative. And this is the end of example 1.